There's the... Oh, there. Andun.
Bumawi.
Oo. I believe you did not see that. They're complaining. What a story. LJ Gonzalez.
Na hindi pa nakakapanood ng live na game na kahit anong laro niya sa kahit anong liga ang pamilya ni LJ simula nang nag-high school siya sa FEU.
LJ Gonzalez. That's a... Binigay kay LJ. Gonzalez will fire. LJ drives. LJ scores! LJ, step back three. Yes! PP for LJ Gonzalez. And then there he is with his family. In tears.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
Bawat manlalaro ay may pinaghuhugutan ng lakas. Before the start of the playoffs, LJ Gonzalez shared to me one of his biggest dreams as a player. At yun ay ang makita ang kanyang pamilya among the crowd. Lingid sa kalaman nating lahat na hindi pa nakakapanood ng live na game na kahit anong laro niya sa kahit anong liga ang pamilya ni LJ simula nang nag-high school siya sa FEU. Kwento nga ni Nanay Lolita, sabi pa sa kanila ni LJ noon, saka na lang kayo manood pag may sasakyan na ako para masundo ko pa kayo. Tonight, the dream was made possible. Sa tulong ni Vice Mayor L.A. Ruanto, earlier this morning naghandog ng munting sorpresa ang Quezon management kay LJ. His whole family, all the way from Isabela, is now present for one of the most important games in LJ's career. At kung inspirasyon ang pag-uusapan, tonight, LJ has everything he needs. Back to you.
What a story. LJ Gonzalez.
Ano yung pinakamaraming opportunity or nabigyan ng napunta dun sa free throw line, siya nanalo.
Fuentes. Binigay kay LJ. Gonzalez will fire! And we are tied once again. That basketball to LJ Gonzalez, who steps into this three-pointer, nothing but net. Para kay 11 seconds on the shot clock. Levy, three-pointer, short. And that's a defensive stop. Yes. Likes this matchup against Ambuluto. Finds Opiso. Labas kay Banal, 3 seconds. Banal, air ball. LJ has to shoot. It's a shot clock violation. Control ng laro na to. Ochea gets that ball gets tapped. Now the loose ball ends up with Quezon. LJ Gonzalez. That's a foul on CJ Isip. Gonzalez landing on CJ Isip.
Opportunity.
Ang aga ng take-off ni LJ dito. Tinamaan si CJ Isip. Assists para kay LJ Gonzalez. He gets the first one to drop. Perfect from the line. Quezon. Sandagon is right in front of him. Levy drives. Levy's layup doesn't work. Rebound ni Jodel Fuentes.
He's been struggling in this game. Itong si Levy Hernandez.
Fuentes to Banal. Gab back out to LJ. Gonzalez, the switch on Hernandez. LJ drives. LJ scores! Points for LJ Gonzalez.
And he loves this moment. Alam mo yon, hindi mo na alam. He was there in front. Itong si LJ, patiently waiting.
And the quickness
of
LJ Gonzalez. Gone in the blink of an eye.
Ang mabigat doon ay, you don't give them target. Okay, itong
to this Quezon onslaught. Valoria for three. No bounce. Rebound. Jodel Fuentes. Game X.
And I think this is the best decision right now. To put that ball in the hands of LJ Gonzalez.
Gonzalez against Ochea. LJ, step back three. Yes! LJ Gonzalez producing one of the all-time performances here in the MPBL playoffs.
Oo. And again, sa mga ganitong klaseng sitwasyon sa Delft, no? Kaya ano ba yung motivation mo? Diba? And I think with the Huskers bringing his family here, it's just enough. Okay, for LJ Gonzalez to have...
Jay Gonzalez right between the eyes of Don Ochea.
And that is a 14 penalty for the Quezon Huskers.
And, you know, LJ Gonzalez, his family drives all the way to Lucena to see him play of his career. And here he is producing and delivering the goods for the...
of him, LJ Gonzalez.
John Valoria misses the free throw. And that is Shea. Inside, Sandagon, dangerous pass. And that is last touch on the Huskers. 20.
Eh, kita mo yung output nila, 56. Halos 60%.
Vegas under pressure. Ablaza will drive. Finds Porter inside the paint.
Oo.
4-point game.
That's a quick one.
All players visited in front of
And a collision between Gabanal and Levi Hernandez. Here's the... Oh, there. Andun.
Nung
And-
bumawi.
Oo. And that happened right in front of referee Sev Pingol, and that's...
Ang
and that's
unsports, oo.
And-
Kaya yan, kasi walang makakakuha ng advantage yan na Quezon still can protect. They maintain possession. And
I can't believe you did not see that. They're complaining. I cannot believe that they did not see that. Parang naman tayo pinanganak kahapon.
alam mo naman eh, walang aamin.
Lagrama able to get that basketball on to Fuentes, and nakatawid ang Quezon. Oh! Backcourt violation.
Bagging violation.
4. Isip to inbound. Ablaza is free. Ablaza scores.
Oo.
Ablaza.
Sa mas mahaba yung oras nila.
They pitch the ball to LJ Gonzalez. 2 points. What a
Great
play.
play. Great play there. Okay.
Ochea got caught doon kay Sandagon.
Oo.
And nobody's winning a foot race against LJ Gonzalez.
Exactly.
Nobody. Valoria to Porter, to Isit. Ablaza for 3. Too strong. Gonzalez with a rebound to Fuentes. Ochea fouls Judel. Will respond again. Porter will attack against Sandagon. Porter, the one-hander, short. Rebound, Opiso. And they foul Jason Opiso. Tama to inbound. Topeng finds LJ Gonzalez. And they foul LJ Gonzalez. We're at 55 all.
Parang sa Delft, I feel na parang sa kanya na lang lahat yung scoring.
Yes, sa kanya nga.
Points.
And chance of MVP for LJ Gonzalez. 1 for 2. Pinan to inbound. 7 seconds remaining. He gets it back from Ablaza. To Ochea. Steps out to the 3-point line. No! LJ Gonzalez!
Again with the rebound.
And Quezon is your South Division champions! Winning a thriller over Batangas. The Huskers are going to Dubai to face the Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Hold up. A year after, okay, now you have this Quezon Huskers team. Okay, today sa Delft, okay, proven na grabe yung pag-take over. Alam mo yun,
And then there he is with his family in tears.
Sobrang happy ako na andito na yung family ko kasi ang tagal kong Ang tagal kong iniintay simula nung high school ako hanggang college. Buong karir ko, hindi ko pa naranasan na nanood sila sa live. So, sobrang happy ako sa mga boss na tumulong sa kanila para pumunta dito. And salamat sa mga taga Quezon! Mahal na mahal namin kayo! Maraming salamat!
And they advance to the national finals to face the Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
You don't like NBA basketball!